Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which statements are correct for standard processes in PS cost control? Choose 2. Option A. Budget can be assigned to a maintenance plan. Option B. Budget can be assigned to a WBS element. Option C. Maintenance order costs can be settled to a WBS element. Option D. Maintenance costs can be settled to a network operation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Budget can be assigned to a WBS element. Option D. Maintenance costs can be settled to a network operation. Question 2. Which of the following objects can you directly assign when you define the work center? Choose 2. Option A. Calculation key. Option B. Fixed price of the activity type. Option C. Capacity category. Option D. Organizational unit. HR. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Capacity category. Option D. Organizational unit, HR. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions, download PDFs, and revise with confidence.